Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can get details about your order through email in the Tazz app. But first I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. Open the Tazz app, then go on the bottom right corner on your profile. Then scroll down, your subscriptions, tap on my subscriptions, and here on the last option is to get details about your order through email. If you tap on it and it's green, then it's turned on. If it's gray, then it's turned off. So that's pretty much for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one.